Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video. In this video, which is about how to fix dark mode not working on iPhone and iPad in iOS 16 and 17 beta. So do not wasting any time. I request of all my friends, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest new tech video and do not waste of any time. So first of solution, check your update. So click on app setting and then click on general and then click on software update and your mobile is available of any update iOS. You should be recommended the update of your mobile and your problem will be fixed. Other if uh, first solution is not working, their second solution, check the time and set automatically correct and then tap on general and then click on that and time and set you automatically and then your problem will be fixed. But second solution is not working on your problem. So third solution, restart your iPhone. So restart the iPhone, uh, volume up button and volume down button and a power button and see appears uh, iPhone logo on your screen. So should be not release of power button and then your mobile will be restart and your problem will be fixed. And there, if third solution is not working, the fifth solution, restart all setting. No loss data on your mobile. So click on setting and then click on general and then click on transfer or reset all setting and given a passcode and your problem will be fixed and 100% dark mode is working on your phone. So then you check the dark mode is working on your mobile. So uh, click on display and then click on dark mode and your dark mode is 100% work on your iPhone. Hopefully guys, you all know if this problem, uh, this video is helpful for you. So if any problem, so let me comments in the box. uh, Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.